Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today on Monday, new week with new puzzles. We have here in today's newspaper one Medium Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Monday, July the 11th, 2022, we have also an additional with again 7 extra puzzles. Told you I won't do them anymore, the letter Sudoku, because you see here 2 O's. There are more letters, the same letters. So yeah. Then we have a 2 stars, a 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. Tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and 1 binary. Half of them I will solve, but first I will solve this medium Sudoku. By the way, the news of today, there are a lot of news in the sport here. Djokovic, the 7th title on Wimbledon for Djokovic, and female soccer, the World Cup is started, and they've played, I believe, 0-0, 0-0, yes, against Sweden. And here Max Verstappen, Formula 1, ended as second place for Max Verstappen, the first place for Leclerc. A lot of sport news in the weekend. Alright, medium Sudoku number 4832. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. In addition, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in this 3rd row. So no 7 and 6 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. We have a 7 in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3rd column, 3 in the 2nd column. So 1st column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the 3rd row, 3 in the 1st row. So the row between the 2nd row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3 in this row, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here, an 8 in this row, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in the 2nd column. So no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then, let me see. How about these 2 numbers in the second row? 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 6, 4. 2, 6, 4, 2, 6, 4, and look, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 1 box left in this column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers. Wait. Let me count. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Alright, then 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4. It goes there. 2 numbers left now. In no, let me wait. 1, 2, 3, 8. 8, 7. Yeah, 8, 7, 4, 8, 7, 4. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 and 8 in this row. So no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. So 1 digit left should be the 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about? Now we have a 9 here, so this box can be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 6. How about the 4 in the last row, the 4 in the row above? So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Same numbers in this big square, the 7 and the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the 7 and the 8 are missing. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Great. A medium Sudoku. Told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes for a Sudoku with 27 printed digits. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the other puzzles in this newspaper. Yeah, we have 4 to go. Until then, bye-bye for now.